so that was some of the packing that I did. I still have a little bit left to do. I have about 2 days left, and I'm just doing like all of my last minute things that you really can't do way too ahead of time, I guess is the way I would word it. But I basically only have like the stuff that I use on an everyday basis just to throw in my backpack and my suitcase in the morning the day of, and then I'll be set, you guys. But yeah, so I've just got one suitcase and a backpack, which is like my personal, and then a carry-on, and I'm just trying to remember all the little things. This video is gonna be short and like to the point. I'm not going to record me packing my makeup because, believe it or not, I got it down to one face palette, one highlighter palette, one blush palette, and I want to say like 2.5 eyeshadow palettes, because two of them are like 6 shadows each. So I'm trying to like carry the most minimum makeup ever in my entire life, which is really, really hard to do. But other than that, I just have to pack my foundations, my eyeliners, and my lipstick and mascara, and that's it. I pretty much have everything else packed up in another room, and I just have to like throw it in my suitcase. And that's about it, you guys. So that's my little packing video. I do want to give you the details for my giveaway. I'm going to have 2 giveaways, and one of them is going to be the holiday one, and then the other one is going to be a New Year giveaway. I'm going to give you the rest of the month to be able to enter. So just give me some time to like pick the winners when I come back from vacation, and when I settle in, I'll pick the winners. But you have literally until January 1st of 2020 to enter. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and hit the notification bell, and then follow me on Instagram, because that's where I'm going to hit up the winners when they're chosen. So yeah, you guys, that's it. So be subscribed to my channel, hit the notification bell, and follow me on Instagram. And if you want, just leave your obviously leave your Instagram handle in the comments below, so I can be able to reach out to the winners as well, you guys. So that is it. Good luck to you guys. I'm going to try to record my BoxyCharm so you can still have that to see while I'm gone. But I'm going to be honest with you guys, in the past couple of days, a lot has changed, and I have not been able to really like sit down and be able to film stuff for you guys, because my flights were changed, the times were changed. I had to switch one of my shifts at work with a coworker of mine. So there's just a lot of things that's just been unexpected happening, and I'm just like, oh my Jesus, please be with me. So you might go like a week or something without a video, but I'm trying my best to at least have one video for you guys, and plus this one. So yeah, you guys, I will leave everything else down in my description box, and I hope everyone has a wonderful Christmas and a happy New Year. Lots of blessings for you guys, and thank you for becoming part of my family here. It has been the best like December that I can ask for, even though I'm still getting through it. But just seeing, you know, you guys join my channel and stuff like that is just a blessing and a half for me. So that's all I can ask for. But happy New Year, you guys, and I love you, and I will see you when I get back. Bye.